So thank you so much to the Dallas Education Foundation for driving this project. Thank you to Gensler Architecture for leading the design and also for engaging Whitting Turner in the construction. Thank you to Dallas ISD as well. Thank you again to Altrusa International from downtown for the furniture donation.
When those tornadoes came through in 2019, it really sent shockwaves through the community.
We had a number of our members who lost their homes.
One of our associates, design directors, her home was devastated.
We immediately decided that we needed to do something to serve the community to help rebuild.
With 3 destroyed schools that we're not expecting, that would have taken a huge lift on Dallas ISD alone.
Thank you for the great amount of funds that you gave us to redo our library. It is so much more of a peaceful and better learning environment. Just on behalf of Franklin, we say thank you for helping us better our school and welcome to Franklin.
We are here to celebrate this beautiful space and school libraries are the heart of the schools.
The mission of our foundation is to inspire community investment to accelerate student success. And we can only do that through community.
Mylea with Gensler, we both kind of decided let's put our efforts into the library.
It was a lot of refinish, really just kind of new clean slate on the finishes, brighten it, add a pop of color to the furniture, just basically addressing a little bit of quirky problems, but really just giving them a new facelift.
Dallas Education Foundation, they're like angels. This library was not the way it looks. Dallas Education Foundation saw the need of the community, came in, look for good partners that help, and then it make it happen.
Yeah, I come to the library almost every single day. Now it's way easier to concentrate and you can do a lot more things. Like, no one has to sit on the floor anymore. It's all ensured that someone's gonna sit somewhere and have room.
My hope for the future of Dallas is one city, arms locked around the future of our kids who are the future of Dallas.